Welcome back to Money Sense. In our previous episode, we talked about how to make 1 million in stock market or mutual fund. This time, we'll talk about how to invest in stock market or mutual fund. Once you decide to go into investing in stock market or mutual fund, the first thing that you need to do is to find a stockbroker. Here at Money Sense, we picked the top 5 stockbrokers in the Philippines. Here it is: Call Financial, First Metrosec, BDO Nomura, BPI Trade, and PhilStocks. Money Sense is using Call Financial because it also offers mutual funds together with stocks. Some stockbrokers don't have mutual funds, so you need to find one if you want to invest in it. The best and well-known mutual fund in the Philippines is Sun Life. Although, of course, there are so many other companies that you can choose to. For a list of accredited mutual funds in the Philippines, visit pfa.com.ph. This video will only show you on how to open an account in COL Financial. At least, you have an idea on what to do on other stockbroker sites if you select them. Now, open callfinancial.com in your favorite browser. Once opened, scroll down at the bottom until you see Get Started, then click Open an Account. There are 3 steps to finish opening an account in COL. They are: read your requirements, sign up and submit, and fund your account. Under the requirements, you have to prepare one valid government-issued ID and your tax identification number or TIN. For foreigner who wants to trade or invest in the Philippines, here's the requirements: one valid passport for non-resident, and one valid passport and alien certificate of registration or work permit from duly for resident foreign applicants. Once you have all the requirements, proceed to sign up. Choose option 1 if you want to sign up online. Otherwise, you have to download, print, and fill out all forms using the link provided and submit it to COL Business Center. Now, click Sign Up. Reread again the requirements and click Get Started. Read the online securities trading agreement and click Agree. Fill out all necessary text boxes, especially those with asterisk, and click Next. Finish it until you reach Fill Up Details. After that, go back to Account Opening Process and proceed to Step 3, Fund your account. There are 4 options here: online bills payment, over-the-counter bills payment, COL Business Center, and overseas remittance. The most convenient way to fund your account is by sending the fund online. Just click one of the options and follow the instruction. Example: Bank of the Philippine Islands or BPI. First, you need to enroll COL Financial as a biller. Once enrolled, you can now proceed to transfer fund using the pay bills. Whether you use BPI, BDO, or any bank supported by COL Financial, the process is the same. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question, just comment below and I will be very glad to answer it during my free time. In the next topic, I will discuss what stocks or mutual fund is best for investing. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel so you'll get notified once I upload another video. Happy investing! Bye-bye!